Here are 15 sentences on the culinary history of Indiana. Indiana's early European settlers brought with them traditional dishes from their homelands, such as cornbread from Germany and pike perch from the British Isles. In the late 18th century, Native American tribes introduced the French colonists to wild rice, which became a staple in many Hoosier households. As Indiana's agricultural industry grew, so did its dairy farms, making cream-based desserts like cheesecake and crème brûlée staples of Midwestern cuisine. The state's fertile soil allowed for an abundance of wheat, oats, and barley, leading to the development of traditional German breads and baked goods. Corn was another crop that became ubiquitous in Indiana cooking, with its versatility evident in dishes like cornmeal mush and hoecakes. The Ohio River played a significant role in shaping Indiana's culinary identity, as it brought goods from other regions, including tobacco and salted meats. As the state's industrialization accelerated, so did its immigrant population, bringing with them their own cuisines, such as Polish pierogi and German sausages. Hoosiers' love of sweet treats led to the creation of beloved desserts like sugar cream pie, a traditional favorite at county fairs. The rise of roadside diners and drive-ins in the mid-20th century transformed Indiana's culinary landscape with classic American fare like burgers, fries, and milkshakes. As Indiana's population grew, so did its urban centers, giving rise to cities like Indianapolis and Fort Wayne that boasted vibrant food scenes with influences from around the world. The state's proximity to Chicago led to an exchange of culinary ideas between Midwestern and Great Lakes cuisine, shaping Hoosier dishes like chicken fried steak and Polish beef sandwiches. Indiana's rich agricultural heritage also gave birth to unique regional specialties like sugar-cured ham and sweet corn cobbler. As the 20th century drew to a close, American comfort food continued to evolve in Indiana, with the rise of farm-to-table restaurants and artisanal producers. The state's strong agricultural industry has inspired many Hoosiers to preserve traditional recipes and cooking methods through community cooking classes and heritage festivals. From the rustic charm of Amish country to the cosmopolitan flavors of downtown Indianapolis, Indiana's culinary history is a vibrant reflection of its people and their passions for good food.